Wow. Man, guys. Who be that? Who is that? Come in.
Small now. Why you do it like that?
Hey.
Obey by one knocker.
I'm going away. Ha. Oh. Sit down, man.
Hey.
You came well, though.
We came on time. We eating. It's fun at you don't greet them. Why are you looking at the food now?
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Goodbye. How are you, my brother? What's up, pa?
Yes, so. Is this still have food in your house? Food.
You don't go repair with. You don't go repair with.
No, food now. Just if it's okay. What happened to the fridge that you were calling me for?
The fridge, I did not call you for fridge.
Okay,
Just say that you want to eat something. Yeah? Just say that you want to eat something.
Yes, we want to eat, so we want to eat.
Who is we? You and this one?
No, he ate my food, so I want to. I've not eaten, and he knows that I've not eaten. Please,
this one?
Please, if there's food, let them please bring
I'm
food.
going to try and ask. This is there. Still, if there is still other food remaining, because the last time there was no food, so that's just the thing. Ngozi,
Sir?
come. Please, do we still have
Food. Yeah.
No. It's the last one that I gave you. The last one.
You mean all the food where you cook yesterday? Food don't finish now.
It's not yours that I ate now. This is the last one.
What? Who?
The pot.
I'm talking about something is finished and you're talking about what?
I haven't rinsed the pot.
I know what I gave you for a pot of soup. Every time I'll give this girl 7,500. And they tell me the soup is finished. Tell me say there's no meat again.
Please, now check
Okay, the last one that I rinsed.
How person go give me 7,500 naira? Soup no go stay like 3 days.
Please, if there's garri and sugar.
There's no
You
garri.
want to drink garri?
Yes, no,
I don't drink garri in my house.
Don't have garri.
Don't worry.
Hey! Spanner! Hey, Jesus!
No, wait.
Oh,
Hold on.
Deja vu.
Hold on. Wait.
Okay.
You hear me?
Yeah?
You came in with this idiot.
Yes,
And you sat here and he sat here.
yes.
You complain you want to eat. And you see fufu where we
No, I'm sure he's bring it out now. Bring it out.
That's what I'm trying to say. Where's the fufu? Where did he keep it? Wait. Don't fight in my house.
This boy ate
You
my
know-
own food at home. I came here now to it's let me not see small food.
Wait. Stella, wait. Did you? Is it? You don't do what? Fufu where they are? You don't know again.
No, it go there in pocket.
Where is it? Can you move this? Can you move this?
Hey, Jesus. Oh, God. No. Those father has a problem.
You hear me? I'm gonna call him. I've tried to make sure I bring you.
There's no garri to make another one.
I've tried to bring.
Father, I speak. Swallow it. Swallow it.
Hey!
Oh my God.
We are still talking like you're in the
But I don't want to see span again.
my brother. You go be. Oh, thank you very much.
That meat.
Make it not be waste.
Span, don't follow me again, no.
Follow and get out of my house. Follow him and get. Follow. Wait. Follow him. Go away. Go. Follow him and get out. Get out of my house.